Yeah man, this is Public Reporter presenting. You don't know, so we are talking about Wrld TV, and guess what, it's another one. Hey, you see, quick and fast, cause we are send them out for you. I don't want a movie, you know, so I get movie and quality movie. And guess what, this is the name, She Betrays My Trust. I'm here talk about, yeah, rough, you know, when they betray your trust. But guess what, a movie, and we have the movies for, you know, bring enlightenment and so forth. And you know, it's just stuff for going. So guess what, watch it, like, share, comment, don't forget. You know what I mean? And guess what, thank you for the support, and thank you for continuously, you know what I mean, I show what we think. The journey start. Wrld TV, Public Reporter presenting. Oh!
Girl, boy, I don't know. Every time when I come here, so I just get one nice vibes, you know?
I know them. Where
What's my name again?
Mass Rupert.
Aragabon. Aragabon?
Aragabon.
Ragabon, chill spot.
Yeah, Ragabon chill spot.
You're so nice, man. You bar nice. I don't tell no lie. Like, one nice vibes, it clean and everything. You know what I mean? But I don't really that me did want to link up with you for now. Right now, I don't know what to do them, man. I don't know what to do them, man. Girl, look here. Look at me here. You don't know some man they look me other day. And me I tell him some me here one do, and the man I tell me foolishness on my ears.
Tia. You see, in life, you can't depend on a man. You have to work and build yourself, get where you want for yourself. You can't depend on a man to get where you want. I say I'm gonna grow your tail if you change the style the boy.
Listen to me and say America. Cause when you tell me a foolishness, man for take care of woman. You hear me I tell you? Man for take care of woman. I don't know how much more to repeat to you.
Yeah. Listen, me feel like if you and a man then everything go 50-50. Yeah, if a man can help you this week and you can do it help
Cut a crop.
you help the
Cut
man.
a crop. Mark cut a nice.
See, you see this man like with you from high school days. Me a friend for much years. From school days I saw your tanty and if you change them ways about your own good ways.
Mama, you have to have one man for their ear, one for pay your bills, one for grocery, and them the style that we man for take care of woman, girl. You can't just talk about your one.
That's why women nowadays I get unalive. Because they don't know how to keep one man and they don't know how to control themselves.
America, I don't like how you talk sometimes. You see sometimes when you talk, you just get me spirit grieve, girl. You don't believe me?
See ya, me and your best friend, you know. And me understand say you're not gonna like the truth, but the truth is the truth. Whether you like it or not.
Right now I want man me want right now. If you do my hair, my nails and buy new clothes for me right now. So you can't go and chat. But you look a 9 to 5 work at them what you have.
And one man make it. Not 3 or 4.
And a 9 to 5 in do. I don't know a struggle.
See ya, the thing is, you know. So when me find love, me not care if you want to gardener, if you want to work on garbage truck, if you want to work on hotel, if you want to be a manager. As long as you love me for who me be, me alright. Because I say once a man love you, money is no problem in a relationship. Anywhere money fi come from, it go come. And everything go work out the way how you want it to be. So you see way how you are go with life, things will not work out for you. You will get it, but remember say it not go last for long.
Where love I go, girl? Tell me. Where love I go? Love can pay bills? Love can buy food? Eh? Tell me.
Me know say
your ear want do. Love can do your ear?
Me not worry about my ear doing.
Me don't know lovey-dovey business.
My natural ear is my beauty.
Look for my ear. Right now my ear want do. You see beauty for me?
You look nice, segregate here where you talk about.
You know see a hypocrite?
Oh, me a hypocrite?
Yeah, hypocrite. For a friend like me, with friends like this, who need enemy. Yeah, hypocrite, you know.
Girl, we
Yeah,
not talk about
hypocrite.
it. Me love you, no.
Listen what me I said. Listen what me I said. Big woman thing. Me not no laughing with you, America. Because guess what? You see you're gonna stuck with in a poverty and a rich man. Me go stuck with for the rest of my life. Cause you must about love. I breed your breed and end up with belly. You see me? Me no want no picnic for tie me down.
Clear. Stop being silly. Come on, I'm
The
ready.
fool like our boy.
Come on.
Come on.
Bye.
Come
No. Babe, man, let me get Jack, you know. Oh.
Nah, drop.
It's not a fair going now. But yeah, may you promise me one thing.
What that?
May you promise me say, no matter what we go through in our life or any man no we pick up, we not make no man come between the two of we. None at all.
Girl, you no need to worry. Cause no man now come between me and you. But you need to get in your head same way. You need money, not love. Come on.
Yeah, man, no problem, man.
Today. And I enjoy yourself.
Everything, yeah, the place available still.
All this one.
Because based on how I see things, you know. You can't work that way there.
It's easy to get upset. I don't know how you love get upset so over simple little things.
Oh, sorry. Girl, Miss never see me in Emiglia Road. Eh?
Oh, sorry.
Jesus Christ, man, look at me. Alright.
Look how you mash up your food.
Me call her. Give me
Good.
1 minute. Miss,
Oh,
sorry.
you did turn on. He alright.
You sure say alright?
Yeah, good.
Lord Jesus. Miss, I'm really sorry for that because while I pay attention to the breadfruit tree, I have one conversation. Oh my God, I'm very sorry. But did that work though?
Yeah, it's alright.
But I'm very, very sorry. I don't know what happened, you know, like. I'm feeling I'm going to fix back your phone because I don't really want you to mash up your day and something.
No, you good. No.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Please don't mash up your day today, you know?
No, man,
Don't
it's
make
okay.
this a bit of situation we're going to make you have a...
turn on and swipe and everything.
And everything.
It's alright.
Alright, I really appreciate that. Trust me. You understand? Because, you know...
I'm sorry for bounce up in the yard.
No, man, I'm my fault, man. I'm my fault. Because I said me up on the phone and try to think about the breakfast and so forth and thing. Yeah?
Yeah, I understand.
My name
People
is...
make mistakes.
My name is Public. Yeah? But I say I'm very sorry. Alright? Marika?
Alright.
Alright, cool.
Hello. I don't know sweet talking, yeah, so. A girl phone mash up, you see what I crack up, you need to buy back her phone.
So you want me to buy back the phone? Eh? Because, listen, she's alright with it, you know.
Listen what me I say. She will tell us that she alright with it, but she not alright with it. I saw she still.
But I don't have a problem.
You see when you gone now, and me, she got the piss. The man mash up my phone, this, that, and that.
Listen,
and my friend and me have to defend her, buy back her phone today.
I have a problem for that.
Today, come.
Listen, I have no problem to sort that out, something that fly upon me. What kind of phone
I
by the
know
way?
what it is, girl. Samsung Galaxy.
Alright, this is a 25,000, just in case, just start it. But I really appreciate how she calm. You see the girl calm. Right now, I'm not lying.
Listen,
Listen to me.
sir.
Listen to me for a second. Based on how she talked to me a while ago, I feel like I don't really want to give her my number. You understand? So I can get to talk to her and off the ear because, you know, this situation, trust me, it put me on a different vibration. I never know some people still stay so calm in a them days. I swear to you, but this money here, see the money here. Just start on the phone and you know, keep me posted. You understand? Really and truly, you know, I'm not supposed to even be here right now at this time, you know, because I don't live down here, you know. I'll just my apartment, you know, really check on and see if there's any available one or who, you know, wants something to fix up or something. Sometimes I check on the place.
Your apartment?
Of course, at my place. You understand me? I say something so really and truly, I don't want to come off like me as a person where I don't want to fix the phone or not like that. All them people
So me ask you something, sir. Not to pry in your business. So what kind of work you do?
as I say, I do a lot of stuff. This is my I do real estate, you know. Me have, you know, little shop here and there, little supermarket and all them little something like that.
Shop,
So really and truly,
apartment.
listen me, take my number and
No
give it to her
problem,
for
no
me,
problem.
please, yeah? so me can talk to her. Come, you man, lie. This morning, me no know. What is to be has got to
It's
be.
okay, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Just give me a number. Me talk to her for you.
Please, you know.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Alright, so it is 798
Mm-hmm.
8523.
798-852. Okay.
Yeah, that is me.
Alright. And your name is?
Kemar.
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 Nice to meet you, Mr. Real Estate.
But your name is? I don't get your name. Your
My name is Tia.
Tia. Nice to meet you. Please, tell Marika. Hear?
No problem, no problem.
I'm depending on you know to tell Marika, you know, Tia.
Okay, Kemar.
Alright?
Have a nice day and sorry about that again, yeah?
I am sorry. I'm the one that's sorry, alright?
Alright.
Yeah, man, cool, cool.
Alright, Kemar.
Tia, look how long you have me turn up here, so. Oh, what you and the man a talk about, so?
Girl.
I'm not tell you, say, if you want good.
Listen to me now. Me a try negotiate with the man about the phone. You don't understand? Me a try to take money and find for buy back your phone, but it don't work out.
Then that's why I say good, it not gonna make no sense.
But listen now,
Wow.
you saying like me.
But Tia, me think you say a rich man you want, so.
Girl, the man in a real estate business. You know what that mean? You know what real estate mean? Right now, the man is supposed to make more money than liar right now. I don't know, but me just a say. The man have a much business, supermarket, grocery shop. I've been in the supermarket and grocery shop in the same thing, but he full of business, girl.
Well,
Car
me happy
pan
for you.
road and sitting.
Well, look, me happy for you. Me glad say you find one rich man in your life. Well,
Girl,
your
right now,
dream
me
come
say,
true.
I guess
You
so.
like him?
The man say no like you. See, you go on too much like you stush, like you can't
He
make
no like
party.
me? But me not like him neither.
You don't need to like him. I'm my man now.
Me dey tell him say fi give me fix back my phone.
Me get your number, girl. Me bingo.
Tia, you sure? See a dirty man say?
Girl, why me da lie to you? Look for me. Me and your friend for years. Me da lie to you?
Tia, me know sometimes I will lie. That's why me ask you. But
Girl, me not lie to you.
alright, me happy for you. Hey, friend get it.
Come on, girl.
Wait, I go right there, so. Boss man, I say I want the thing move fast, you know. Like come like a rain and forward, you know. You see me? Yeah, yeah. Hurry up, cause my work at 8,000 quick and fast, you know. Yeah, forward quick now. Yeah. Yeah, quick and fast.
What did you do like that work, yeah? I just
Yeah, left you right there, so. Yeah. Quick and fast.
A nice clean man, me want money, man.
Where say at lunchtime, my father?
You find money.
Alright. Yo. Yeah.
You working, man, I work.
Lunchtime.
You want
Yeah, man.
You want nice clean man in an office and them they sitting there drive big jeep and them they sitting. Fool of cow.
I'm going to charge you. Hurry up, man. But yeah, come on, you know. Hurry up,
There, man.
Yo.
No. I don't say I'm friend, my friend.
man. No, fuck, I think
I don't expect nobody to know something there. You know, say only you alone, so I just kind of that. So yeah, deal with it.
But you know, some is a little snack, come I tell you, bro. Come forward in and me I say, I want to check for my place. You know,
As usual.
check, you know?
Boy, I one thing I rate today, you know. You make me the yard with them work, you know. I always have to appreciate you as a virgin in my life. Because watch, you know, you have things, and you know somebody there, down there, so I never have nothing. As a virgin, you see me and rate me, and say, yo, watch, you know, you would rise. You see me, you make me take time and do you look at them, and you give me respect that father. Every day, me have to.
That's cool, man.
You see me?
Alright,
Respect.
man. Good talk, man. Because I guess you know, brother, in life, you have to set yourself a certain way where you know, we love woman already.
You get it?
We love woman, so I'm gonna step myself, brother, and enough people don't know, say, if you love woman, you have to love work too, you have to have your things.
Right.
A woman now just forward in and feel comfortable a certain way. You know what I mean? But over the years, I realize, say, maybe me I take it wrong to find the right woman.
Boy, that's true.
You understand? I guess I know, brother, I tell you. The reason I say is, I know, today me I walk, and from the second apartment, I done a Road Street or so.
Yeah, that I kind of look a green
Yeah,
one the way you refurbish other day.
Yeah, that one there. The day I talk and I said me I go pick some breadfruit and roast and rate it here. And that's me bounce up with the one girl way. Mash up her phone, you know?
I lie.
Mash up the girl phone. And it's like, she, you know, see phone mash and say, boy, she take up the phone and the phone and work and she say, that good man. And me I said, in my head, I said to myself, say, oh, that girl so calm.
Watch you, man.
No,
Can I write one that for you?
Brother, that me I said to you, say right now, me feel like I she me for program. But she have one friend, them know if a friend or a sister, because we know them ask if they're related. Hype! Just nothing I say, you expect the girl phone, and did this and that. Some just you know me pop off already.
I pick up on a concern.
Brother, and that me I say, man, and then after me start tell her certain things and calm her down slight, she feel like, say, boy, you know, she can't hear me I say, come, give her my number for you.
If you give friend.
And me don't know if she understands and me really like her like that. Cause me, you know, some people tell you some stuff, them just take it, they not really understand it.
Right.
You understand me I say, brother? So me I hopefully say, boy, I can reach we can't even talk.
I had even find out which side them come from now, nothing where you could see them again, but as you say, you give the friend to give friend the number. So hope she pass on.
I think I know, brother, I'm not like my happy.
You made
happy, brother, happy.
A long time I know you as a man I wait for one right man, you know. Cause you don't have your little business them. Brother, me see it and you're tired out, you know.
I whisper one thing and tell you, can't talk too much people here, you know what I'm saying? Me I went up more like go club because you know say me you know love woman.
I like.
Don't tell nobody, don't tell nobody.
No, don't tell nobody.
Money I make seriously. So it's like me not really want none of them kind of girl, brother.
Yes,
Cause I did enough time there work and you know, like, well, yeah, I work, I did it. And think I'm here the girl my reason some reason, like, I just be money and things. They don't really want no, you know, substance.
That the world kind of gone to the girl, them know, you know.
Room, they want this, they want that. I'm not afraid to get the money, you know. But brother, it's like to me,
you just want one way.
Some money right now for me.
True,
you know,
true.
want me as, yo,
not
brother.
for you have.
Brother, the girl, come. Them the things that don't know, man, brother.
Imagine
the phone drop. Eh?
What for you? I feel. So you see if she a feel, you go get it. You get it?
A long time for sure.
There, just go and finish up some local work, yeah, so. But this is me that can link you still in about. There, this supplier more knock on pan right, so.
And this one, yeah man, deal with it man, cause you know, me there now a little bit.
So which side you go there?
Me might just shout me from my bird.
Yeah, that busy man, you know, cause you can't live out there right now and charges on it, but you look at it on feet.
I tell you, bro,
so link you.
Do it, you know.
Yeah, man, I'll link you, man.
But I'm going to tell you, so pray for me, hope say my phone ring by the end of the day.
What I feel?
I feel it.
Alright.
Bless up, yes, sir.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
I can't find you. Hello?
What one? Which way the girl? Me there, you know.
Tia, me gonna shop. Me so come.
I mean, I gonna shop and you know, so me I come. Hurry up, man.
Me hungry, me buy chips and juice.
Alright.
Later. Yeah. Good morning. Me can get one Ruffles. Oh, and a drinks. Me take out the drinks, so here. How much? 360.
Good afternoon. Evening, sir. How much you want, my boss? $100.
Jesus Christ.
Thanks.
Me lost my money. Like, me did have $1,000 for me, me no. No, me do it.
Hello.
Like, thanks.
Yeah, man, you're good. Big up yourself. Here. Right
Yeah.
after. Thanks. Here.
Thank you, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, thanks again for helping me out in this. So, like, me literally lost my money. Me not even know which part me lost it. And you want back a change?
No, man, that's cool. A matter of fact,
Yeah?
you know, so life is a way.
What do you mean by that?
Life is a way. You don't know the reason why I give you money, but maybe I saw my mother brought me up. You see me? But anyhow, you say last $1,000, I find $1,000, so.
No, I feel, remember say, give me $1,000 in a
So
shop.
question, if you never find $1,000, so you lost $1,000, yeah, but don't give you that already, I like give and take back. When you look on that, if I hold on on this, I give you, I look blessing. A blessing me work off in my life.
Okay.
So I hear $1,000. So maybe if you want to give me back, maybe next time you see me, you can say thanks.
You know,
Yes, anyway, I'm Omar, people call me coloring book.
America.
America,
Yeah,
smile nice though.
thank you.
Yeah, man, just big up yourself, you know, yeah.
Yeah, man, yes.
Yeah, man, thanks.
Thanks again,
man.
yeah. But
Hold on
weird.
there.
Me not see.
I,
Sorry, you go on first. You go on
no
first.
man, ladies first, man.
Other day, me and my friend I walk past. I see a one consign.
Yeah, site,
One
yeah.
site at work.
Yeah.
Me look for you, you know.
You know, it's a question like my friend I say, you look for me away like you cut your hair, but me not really see that.
Oh no.
I just feel like me yeah, I just connect like me don't even know how to explain it, but me know you never gonna look for me now way still.
No,
Matter of fact, me I want trade man, but when I go down there go look some work, them kinda full up with trade. You know, a lot of trade money in down there, so I just take some day work where I just make 8,000. So
That's
that's
nice.
great, isn't it? Yeah man. Basically 8,000 I make it come like God great, cause you look where you look for me come like at the 1,000 like where you forget out of it. You just
Exactly.
motivate me, isn't it? So yo, I don't really want to keep up more of your time still. We hope we meet again still, isn't it?
Alright, so
In real life.
big up
You're
yourself.
Heart of love again, yeah.
Yeah,
What you
man.
say your name again?
Marika. What your name again?
Well, people call me Omar, but you can call me coloring book.
Alright.
If we meet again,
Omar.
you can call me Omar here.
Yes, Omar.
Big up here.
Bye.
Yeah, man.
Be safe.
Not no laugh with me, man.
Yeah,
Look how
go on,
long me
suffer.
there wait for you.
Girl, what happened to you? See, I didn't know say you go come so fast soon because remember say you text me say you deal with something. So I didn't expect you to reach your yard so fast.
Martha, I know chuku me a come from.
Whatever.
What me could I deal with so? But anyways, what for me snack then?
No, I not buy nothing for you. I just dey feel peckish. So I just go shop. When I call me, boy, you should not even understand. Me say, I go shop, you know, and me lost my money. I go in the shop hard, you know, and I look for money, can't find the money.
So which way you find me?
I not find the money. Here, what happened now? You remember a guy where we did see, he did one time, when he on the site, I do work. Remember the guy there? Him walk in a shop and give me $1,000 ask for pay for my goods. And I pay for it now and come out of the shop. He did out a doorway for me and he find me $1,000 and he give me back my $1,000 And me did they talk for a little time and something. I want a nice person, girl.
Martha,
Huh?
so, what make as you talk about the guy your face a light up? What in pay for your things and your face a light up? You
Yeah.
love man too much. And look on the type of man where you like where they mix Malta? Eh? Where
Yeah.
they get about 4 grand and 5 grand a day?
Your face hear that? 8 grand in get. Feed the day. So,
Martha.
you see you and you're talking about poor man and compare poor man with rich man, you go get for 6 o'clock. Because me don't understand you why different with them. At least the man are working honest bread.
I little drinks and snack when pay for fly up in your head. Eh? I little drinks and snack fly up in your head, Martha.
Tia, me tell you say you all want relationship for money, you know. But I want relationship for love. You understand?
This me left me yard for. Me left me yard for come here so. For me and you have a decent conversation. You tell me about man who mix Malta. Girl, enough of that man. Find somebody where they higher than you, yeah, so.
Tia.
All me a try lick in the head, come like, listen, me not even have time for this. Me not even bother want to later.
So when you behave so far, me call her. Remember no na reach
Look at me phone.
That's right.
Ah, Jacob. Come here, I get set out for me, man. Eh?
Oh, this Kemar.
Yes, you know, say, that's my real name, and no people know me as public, the real, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, yeah, me get my real name. So what happened?
I'm there.
Look nice though. Eh?
Yeah, man. I don't know, as me see him, I just start getting nervous. I don't know what make, but...
Had a good vibe. But before you say that, you ain't give Marika the number because me I wait for your call and me not get no call from she, and I don't know if you will give her a wrong number, you know, like maybe by mistake, you know. How you want to
I
work
say
out?
I give her the number the day.
Mm.
And Mama said she don't want to have nothing to do with you.
What do you mean by that?
I tell her, say, Kemar,
Mm-hmm.
I tell her the day, you know. You would think, say, my friend, a good somebody, you know, and me tell you, say, she only a pretend because guess what, her mother, she get like brought up, see.
Mm-hmm.
You know them people that way when they go out and they see people, they know to present themselves, and she that.
Okay,
but
okay,
deep
okay.
down,
Jesus.
she says she don't like Rasta, man.
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
What can I cause that though? Because I don't really understand. Because how she approached me, how she seemed like a very nice girl. Like, you know, my head over heels just because of how she react. You know, it's the first impression last. You understand? And the first cut is the deepest, and she cut me one way where, you know, I don't know if I explain to you, but at the end of the day still, I appreciate the fact that you even went try. You understand?
Me all tell the girl, say, talk to you because you seem like a decent guy. You understand what I say? And you know, say, enough man never da go do what you do. So me I tell the girl, but you not gonna work with you and her. She not like you none at all. She eat it like a poison.
No,
Me I tell you.
so
So nobody look this up. Nobody look this up. But on the other hand, me not tell her no lie. Me like you. Me I tell her.
You know, so before you even say that to me, it's like, because you're a nice girl, pretty and all them something, and, you know, shapy and so forth. So, I'll tell you, and it's true too, I like you as a person, but just because of the situation where, you know, she, as I said before, and, you know, like right now I feel a way, I feel hurt, but it's to be as
You
got
don't
to
need
be.
to feel hurt, man. The right person stand up in front of you.
God.
Me I tell you, no look this so, I know
I know
your,
my place.
I know your thing that.
That's true.
For true,
I
but
get it, man, I get it now.
me like you for true. Me not tell no lie. Me like if me don't know. You understand you bounce the girl and her phone drop and
Sad.
tough
Yeah.
man who don't give her the money for buy the phone.
True. Yeah, but then again, I say, if you want to connect the right way, because you know, sometimes we force things. It's like a water uphill. We have forced it, and one of feel, as we say, I don't feel, but maybe, you know, as I say, the right person's in front of me and so forth. So, really and
Exactly.
truly, what if we start? It wouldn't be a problem because we won't try to look she at the first part.
I don't know, probably. I look at her.
Well,
No
that's a
man,
looker.
nice. Just
Yeah,
tired of that.
just
Yeah, man,
exactly.
so you don't need for
I'm
worry.
just a clear up the ear, because I know you feel like, you know, me is just jump from here, jump, you know, hopscotch business.
No,
you know what I mean?
man. You know, it don't really matter to me. As me tell you, me just know say she not like you. That's all you need to get in your head. You understand what I say?
Clear out of my ears now, that gone. That
So,
gone.
me did still have a number, you know, so
Have a
me
number?
can give her a call.
Hey, you mean call me? You know what I mean? I make sure, hold on. Check your number, make sure it's the number right, you know. You understand?
Me not have my phone for me, you
I
know.
put in yours now.
Alright.
Right, so we can actually link up. I know, so right now I'm going to link up my brethren, one of my close friend. It's like we would everything, like, you know, experience life together at the end of the day, you know what I mean? But later on after I left this, so I'll call you. And we can connect, and we can talk, and we can get everything started. Because we don't waste no time, you know. What a
Nice
shit,
to meet
man.
you.
Come up, man. We don't waste no time, you know. Oh, you feel like a filmy. Jesus. Nice, man. Alright, so
Alright.
just let me know everything, you know.
Yeah, man, me call you.
And I'm about to tell her. No one makes you feel like, you know,
Me
certain way,
not
like.
tell her nothing, man.
Alright, so we talk, yeah?
Alright, come on.
Take time walking, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know, something really like that. A girl, the character, Marika, but can't force certain situations, one of you. But, I'm say, drop off a shoulder. I say, go, no, I want to drop off a head, drop on shoulder. Alright.
Father, bless up yourself here.
So you know hear me? I did.
Yo, my daddy. What go on?
There, man.
Boy, me don't know if you say a thief in the night, a spirit, a gathering, me don't know, but I'm glad to see you, my G, a long time now. So I pray.
There, man. So I come and give you one link.
Glad to see you, my G, you know, so I want to work me I go up on. Because I can't get no work from where you no trade work, so I just go and do some labor work, because you know my style, I like sit down.
I have to do it, man.
Bro, you know about local violence I go on in our village and Whitehall, crime then. I must say the reason I never ask you, you know, I know say I'm on there everywhere, you know, bro, so I just tell you be careful, you know. Because I don't know what you do, you know. You always clean, you make money. When I don't have the money, you give me money. So I just tell you to be careful, bro.
And man, you can't fear the violence, man. We avoid it, but you can never fear that, you know.
Well, you know, I'm not really afraid, you know, but I just don't like violence, you know. I'm more like the youth to work hard, try to find a wife, settle down. So I pray you.
There, man. I want to link myself and I give you still, but
Jaja, you know, so what day I'm down on the side and I tell one dog, say, oh, G, I don't like friend, you know. But if you say friend at 1 G, I can count on it all the time and I tell him, boy, dog is saying, wishing have a G where he could have count on, so, you see me?
That's why you have to go, man.
Dog, man.
So you do it, so.
So everything go different though.
Everything have to good, man.
I like what you, I like when you link me, dog, and you know, call me, because suppose me heart in a week all over. You see me?
No, man, you're sitting with me, you know, I can't really do a phone thing.
So yo, you not tell me how you do, dog. Like me a G and I don't know how you do.
I make money, man.
You know you make money. Call what you me down and nothing go on for me, dog, and you rise me up and say, yo,
Bro, there's no some make money, you see me?
Yo, Jesus Christ. Father.
Yeah.
You say me buck. Why, well, I don't know if you tell us I'm a buck or... I don't even know if you tell us, but I just go talk and you tell me what I go on.
Yeah.
It's like, what you do some work. Anyway, I do some woman and mix up. I put some gravel in the bucket.
Yeah.
You see a nice lady and him friend pass, but me and him I make contact, me know if a good or bad.
Yeah.
But anyway, the dog I say, yo, like, I pray me like she look down upon me on the work what she do, but she not give me a vibe there, you see me? She not give me a response. They like, you know, she look upon me like, she look down upon me. Anyway, I book her next day, but when I book her now, I forward, you know, go to the shop. You get what I say? So after I go in the shop now, I really see a person in the shop, but I not to pray one female.
Anyway, I just a boom and order what I want and as me I go cut. Me hear person I say, come like she lost her money.
Yeah.
So I just a boom and look on her. Yeah, Mr. Dafton for my thing. You see me at one water. And then me I say, really have my money and you lost if it's true. But you know, so we grew up good. So I just a boom, take out 1,000 and give her.
Yeah.
And she said thanks. And I saw normal prayer, I walk with. Because when I walk outside, I make few steps or 3 steps. And the 1,000 of girls say last, I go buck up. So like, me not thinking to myself, so what if I sham? Because you know females say nowadays. But when I go find 1,000, I just smile and I say, yo, you know, so God not easy. Sometimes strange things can happen. Anyway, I just a woman take out the money and every time if you look around and she see her forward. And she say, am I money you find? And I say, yeah man, I hear money man. Give her about the money. She asked me if you keep it, can me give her $1,000. So I say, anyway, we just start blush and talk. But I say, yo, there is like, I don't know bro, like something did there.
Connection.
Yeah bro, I talk, the connection you did the dog, you know, lose no ear. I tell you bro.
Well, if
So-
you feel like say, something did there, but I tell her to pursue it, you see me?
Yeah.
When I say in India look down upon you or something like that, I'm telling you this in life, you see everybody have a job for do. Don't you garbage man. People
Yeah,
may look
some
down upon
are-
him,
yeah,
but
some are.
everybody has something for do. So maybe you never like a job where you do, but you see a character. You help him in any
So
time
your
of
character
need.
fit in with the job what me do.
Might be not even that, but just you as a person. Remember, see your job not defined, you know. So might be you see you as a person now. So that you like. So if you like her too, and you feel like something there for do, but I tell you, so
Like my spirit take her
throw some fire upon the fire, show some gas upon the fire, man.
and light it.
Light it. Keep
And
blaze.
make it blaze and you scream.
For that or that.
That's why I like crazy with you, you know, bro.
Not that,
Me make you know what I go on, you see me? Because you know, right now where things are going right now, that the violence and crime. Bro, I just want to settle down right now. I can't bother run up on them again.
I
If I
understand
she,
what I mean,
I
man.
she. But me I make you know when me throw a fire upon them, you see me?
Do you right, man?
You good though?
Great, man.
You
but
sure?
Yeah, but
You strap.
Father, I'm here, man. You stop.
Me have money, bro. What kind of strap you think me I talk about, bro? You like violence, you know? You have money.
No, I mean if I'm good, man. Right now, me I have to move to cause you know, broad daylight and too much be seen. You know?
Yeah, me tell you something. You see when you come link me,
Yeah.
link me with Jesus, no link me with Satan.
What kind of Satan, man? Me just tell us, me know.
Yo, look more, yeah, bro.
Alright, big up.
Yeah, my God. Judge, I'm done, you know. Real life. Oh, God, my father, man. Boy, I go up on the site, you know, come on, say, I can't see a girl again, you see me?
Family.
We are dealing.
And there, man. Thing good?
Yeah, man, me
Wow,
there.
one thing we rate me there, man. Let's walk, you know.
I mean, man, me there not too long come off of work and come in here and I say, boy, yeah, I look like it's a disgrace, so just a go and rake up because I hard breeze, I do it, you know. Blood in the whole I leave them off a tree, man.
See it, man, I see it, because this song, I see him vibes, it's like me, I call it, you know, because, you know, they went rough, one of the things go on, you know, but,
What go on?
brother, you know, say, sometimes, boy, I don't know, but, you see him big, I'm tell you about, say, boy, I want to give a vibe.
You get it?
No.
Backside.
No, get
Like
that
it's a
vibe.
different.
Different vibe, because you know, the things of the girl when I'm cool and, you know, work certain vibes and things, but I misread the whole situation. Because she nice, she calm, but I know it calm sometimes. Because sometimes some people calm in the day and at night them just, you know what I mean, them lose it.
So what really go and do? Because right now, when me a meds, you know, because remember the day you tell me, say, yo, what I feel.
I feel.
So right now, it even coming like that I feel.
And for me,
Oh,
I
you
tell-
tell me, be so you tell me situation right now, you know, sound like a feel. Sound like some disgrace thing I go on.
Brother, a friend I tell me, say, girl, I attack some things and, you know, give me one, like an impression like me is a dirty man.
What this, man?
Brother, imagine you meet a girl and me have to fix her phone. It's not like say me and brother what me not go sort out certain things and you know. Brother, the day she give me a rush. And the rush when she give me feel like say all would be, you know.
All would be great.
Yeah. Super fragilistic, but
Because the
brother,
day you forward, that's what me I tell you, say, you seem happy, me bro.
brother, me I tell you man.
And right now, it's a different facial expression there. Give me some, I can know, say, yo, you know.
Yeah man,
The
hit
vibes
hard
not
man,
right.
hit hard man. Because yo, really and truly, you see friend. Your friend that show me a vibe saying want to, you know what I mean?
You want to
Friend
date
look
you.
good, yeah, friend look good to brother, so you know, so me as a man, I'm not gonna make you waste.
But watch you know, what I feel. I fear.
Exactly.
So you see if free and no fear and no
That's
fear.
enough for me, I
So
tell
you
you.
see if I friend and fear, you better you just take it.
Brother, but still, me I tell you, yo, I saw people can trick people, man. I saw people trickify in that word, man.
You say first impression last.
No, brother,
You see
yo,
me?
trust me. Yo, it's like how you stay genuine.
Right.
Straight through.
I see him say turn to
Brother,
man.
me I tell you, but the girl tricked me. You tricked me, brother, me I tell you. Right now, I fall me some more
But
fall
the
in.
situation just sounds strange still, but I say I go still, my bro. You see me?
Yeah. But yo, you see girl there? Heavy, you know. I mean, say heavy, heavy. Me have to go work out now, you know, go to fitness center. And,
Yeah, I'm gonna put
you
you
know
in
what I
that
mean?
girl shadow you have done there. Easy.
Rough, so that I go on and on.
Yo, but you know say, really and truly, yeah, girl you say the youth, some that really want, you find the one little cat in it that be secure on yourself because you see business in your father, you need one woman in your life.
Yeah.
Me nah say you alone can't do it, you know. Because a man, if you act like a man and stand up as a man, but you need a woman in your life.
True.
You see me? A whole heap of girl you have in the father, you know that, you know. You need one a real one, them.
I try to cut them off right now, bro. My telecards, you know, based on, you know, like, you know, I mean, he's a businessman, and then unnecessary spending, you know, really work out for me if you maintain certain standards. You know what I mean?
You know hear what going on at Whitehall? Me I hear say,
man.
one of the landlord them man, the tenant must not give them no money none at all. Some fighting a going around there. And me I tell you say, come like say after. I don't know if a landlord do it still, you know. But me I say after one man does come and the boop boop.
Like it's, yo,
And now set the place around there.
is that, make that rest.
And no for your place around the Whitehall.
Make you rest, you're in fall now. Yo, make you rest.
But me always say all three you get shut up a red ground still. The place
Yeah.
a go on body out.
Make you rest, man. Because, yo, one feeling, I feel in business. You understand me? Just left the business alone. You understand me? Because two things set, you know, don't make it fall.
Me just want to know say no for your place still, you see me?
Yeah, I understand. I understand the concern and respect the concern still.
Yeah,
You know what I
man.
mean? Yeah, but as I say, make you rest. So,
Alright.
go on there thing, you know.
Yeah man, me
And
go
we
on
shall
because
talk,
the rain like that come down to me
Yeah,
go and deal with it, you see me?
Yeah. So, look about, yes sir.
Alright, my general. Where are you?
Right, man. I say dog, you may look for you, bro.
You know, say I rake me there, I rake up me I do a youth, and I not even remember say, I did want some fab to wash up two little clothes, like me say me da go grab up. What go on with you?
You know where you can.
Yeah, man, I want to your father, man. Where are you, lady?
Boy, right now you stress out more on that place rent right now. That.
Place to rent. So no run a Whitehall, you live, so you want place to rent for? Pay violence are going around the door.
Let me explain. I want good looking story still, but let me explain. When I move go white, you see me? You know, say, me and my ex-girl did things and we kick off and me move out, left him out there one now, you see me?
Yeah, if you remember
But
for
rent
real.
a place at Whitehall. Couple months did about 6 months or so. But 6 months now me did now. Man, tenant did it. Owe the landlord money, so landlord send 2 youth because warn him 2 times, you know. And he bad up the landlord and chat one magazine till things escalate. And even know if
And then shot him. You know
you
what
hear
say?
about it?
Me hear about it. You live around there?
Around them
Me
live.
backside.
Right now, me have to sleep with me here up in come even know. Come owe him 1 month rent and right now me just pay me money and cut dog. In a real life. Cause you see when he send him man go pay me I hear say him man when he send I want kill her, you know. You see me? I want kill her and he go warn somebody 2 times.
Boy, you
2
say all.
times he warn the tenant. And I hear say the man, see landlord, he do some for search man, the landlord don't want serious man.
But you know say all my information yeah.
Me I hear say a whole heap of little thing he do and get away with it. To having money you yo, right now, me just want cut from this so in a real life. Today me I get the money if you pay me 1 month rent, if I even out a door upon veranda me get her and I want 4 cup. Me going there right now. To me afraid around this bro.
Why?
I want left around this dog.
More do
You see me?
advice if you turn around there
You
and
know
that's still
the
you know.
hottest thing? Yeah, you say, him be a man if you got dash right tenant.
You see him landlord
The
there?
same landlord.
Boy, merciless.
Brother, right now.
No man, you have to go lift up from around them,
But
man.
more you sort out something for me, dog.
You know, so me have one virgin though.
Please.
Me have one virgin around a white hall. Cause me and him that reason not too long to, you know. And me I tell him, boy, said situation and me ask him if I run a film place, you know. Boy, you know look like I run a film place. Me go link him, can you want place around a white hall too.
Bro, do.
And see if he
Please,
can.
if
Them my
you
man they
could
have him money
link
the
him
same
right
way.
now, bro.
I show me now my bird for me, man. As me say, me go a shop and circle back.
Yeah, you are shouting, man.
Yeah, man, but watch you know. If anything, me can see it on your face, you're scared. If anything,
Bro,
you
me I
can
tell
come bill and pa me block till
something
you
to
get
me here,
through.
boy, man, brother. You yourself would afraid right now, bro. Me just want done. Give me money and done. See me have the money here. This a piece of money. If you go collect the rest from my auntie.
Yo,
And
as me
deal
say,
with it, bro.
me have one virgin, we have house around a white hall. You see
Bro,
me?
if I even run this up,
You
but
just
me
want
just
left.
want move from
Get
that
where you
spot
say,
there.
man.
Yes, that spot there, me don't want nothing to do with that spot.
Get where you say, me. I'll deal with it.
We can
Urgent.
find the white all same way, but not that spot there. Me don't want to stay at that spot there, bro. So just call the dog and see if you have a place, bro.
I'm matter of fact, I'll go for my phone and shout him, man. You see me? When me done, me go get the fob. So,
Some for the link your back.
yeah, man, link me back. Link me back. ASAP.
Make sure you
Just
link
go
me back
link
to
your
me,
auntie,
bro.
man, and deal with that and link me back. But you link me back, me have good news to tell
You
you.
know I told the point.
No. Like money me do go a shop 250.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Me link you, then you link me.
Alright. Jaja youth. General.
What about my family?
Me there, man. You know what say, one of my virgin them in a one little serious situation, you see me, and you know I'm a virgin like how you're a virgin, so me just want to try help out the dog certain way. You don't have no more apartment them available where a general could have get somewhere for stay.
Yeah, man, you know, so me have one more available, one more, and yo, trust me, I get some call, but I just, based on my feeling and my vibe, you know, so me rent my place.
Get what you say, man. So I would have how much that do?
Alright, a 30, you know, on 30 pack.
30.
Yeah.
So you know I'm miling still, so nothing better could do still. You know me not grow anything still. If I yes, if I know, I know.
Oh.
Cause I try new thing, you know.
Okay. Only thing is that, you see, in that place, me have one brand new fridge and one brand new stove.
Yeah.
So that's the only thing, but yeah, if I hear link, you know, it take off 5 off, how it sound?
Yeah, man, I try new, man. You see me? I hustle, man.
Okay.
Respect,
So
you hear?
25 good, but remember if I tell him, say, just make sure, say, from now, prepare your mind, not say, mash up my fridge and stove.
Alright, my general.
Yeah, man, respect, man.
Yeah, man. Respect again, father.
Yeah, man, no problem, man. But guess what now? Another thing, you know, see, you have to make sure you tell the virgin, say, yo, don't run for my business, because my business is my business in the boss. You understand what I'm saying? Because
Yeah.
you do nothing to mash up all the fridge and stove, me, you send somebody, you know, just make sure you tell them, say, just don't, you know, mess with the things there.
Wait, something if you tell him?
Just tell him, say, don't mess with the things there, you know?
Oh,
Have a good day.
my friend now while ago enough, father. Yeah, man, me deliver a message, man.
Yeah, quick and fast, yeah?
Alright.
My brother, respect.
Let me send somebody for him.
Girl. Hey, something wrong too much in that video. But guess what? From when me fit tell you this,
Wow.
me say you see Kemar. Me don't know. Right now, me just know say God send the money in my life for a reason. The boy is spending, you know?
God send him in your life for a reason.
You know, you hear me say? It come like the day when we decide to take the road there. And God send we around there. I understand.
I understand, yes, Tia.
God ordained this.
But me would have want to really and truly, Tia. I only, you like him, or you like the money like him?
Both. I like him and I like the money. Girl, right now, I take my time come out of poverty. When me done with him, girl, I'll want in apartment thing and go give me. You don't believe me? Just watch. Girl, hey, me say, last week,
What happened?
about 3 nights, me and the boy sleep at 3 different apartments. So you have one round a West End,
Yeah.
one up the beach,
Yeah.
and one a...
White
Where place him? Oh, you know so?
I'm just
Me did tell you?
No, you're not tell me, but I just I guess you're not say you have place all over. So
But let me tell you something, we want to run a Whitehall though. We have to end up left early car. I pay things are going around them man unalive and one bag of foolishness. So with that the apartment they now you know too
ready.
up to that.
Up
you
to
know,
that,
but you see
yeah.
one up the beach and the one run a West End.
West End.
Girl, I one of them me want.
Tia, just
Yeah,
take your
miss
time.
out.
Just,
Well, you want 9 to 5
just take your
worker.
time and make sure you be safe. You understand? But me not tell you no lie, not to be honest. A guy when we meet, when I tell us when we meet, when I last meet us, yeah. Me
What about
no never touch your face.
No, touch me, man.
Me don't think about him. Like me like him because I want a nice person.
Fool no, a nice person what? What about him nice?
I
True,
don't
him
think-
fine back it was again, he buy you one little drink.
but he hard working. And that.
Marcus, since you like him, how much you and him meet already?
Couple time well me and him meet.
Couple times you and him meet, how much
great.
money he give?
No worry about that.
Eh?
No worry about that. He give me
Other
love,
day you dey tell me say your gas
attention.
done him buy your gas? Look here. Enough of that, enough of him. Because you see, you know, you just get me upset.
Yeah.
Back to my story now. So, my nice clean man, Kamar, bought him one baby.
So wrong
Him-
with that.
No ask more wrong with that, America. There's a lot of things wrong with that. Look at me. Me's all about the money, girl. Me not have time for baby right now. Baby go hold me down. Plus, that the baby they come in play now, I go cut my shares. I go rob my shares. When me forget. Everything I go pampers, feed, and clothes for baby.
Tia.
Me not know that girl.
Tia, listen to me. You know what? I'm not even going to say, but all me want you to do is be careful. You understand? Try no say. People like them there, you don't know what they do for reach this in a life. And you're running at the man life. And the man say want that, and you don't want to give him that, be straightforward to the man. Stop growing in a bush like you're an idiot.
You know, say you give me one idea, girl. Me feel like in a long run, but I tell him say me a breed. But me not pregnant for you know.
Tia, no man, no. You cannot do that.
Come on.
Don't do that. Let me tell you something. You see you go end up that's your life not happy, you know. You.
take it
But
easy
all
with
me
me.
can tell you say
Listen,
no.
I want a big
Me,
money. And fame.
me happy with the poor man when me have, and you happy with the rich man where you have. Oh.
Walk up the girl, he come like our
Hold on. May I come?
Marika, come on. I saw we are.
Hold on, one time you got to come and me the job, ba? Don't put me. Behave yourself. Nothing good evening.
Smile was nice. Oh, no, that's okay.
Not good, man.
How am to your friend?
She, well, I'm a mad friend. She not really like
Yeah,
poor
look like she
man.
mad, but me like how you two wanna live still, regardless you have good and bad in any relationship, whether
Yeah.
friends, whether intimate or whether social.
Yeah.
I'm glad to see you still.
I'm glad to see you too. So, where you come from?
You know, so some work me I come off of some tiling work.
Mm.
Yeah, I kind of get some tiling work. I'm just go and do what I have to do.
I never know see the tiling. I think all construction you do.
Well, as I say, when I get tiling, I just have to just go up on a site and just do some labor work. You understand?
Yeah.
Because basically, I can't sit down and wait for tiling. When I get construction, I just take it. Because I don't really like beg. I don't really like depend on nobody. I just like my own, you see me?
Yeah.
So what you do?
I don't really do nothing like.
You know, matter of fact, you know, say, I spoil around 3 tiles today.
Why?
Because I not think about a lady. Think
You
about
did not think
somebody.
about one
I think
lady?
about somebody who I like and everything. Hello, good evening. You think she's a nice person? Yeah. I kind of like her. You see it? Thank you, here. Have a blessed day. You see it? The lady them check say you're a nice person. You see it? Like how you blush right just say to me. So you are going to say me I think about you, I know
Marika, be ready.
Tia, me I come.
About here, man, I just feel like you want to go to church. But anyhow, we up on date, we are call, we are text, we are do video call. I don't know what you think, but I just feel like, man, really, like we take this thing look a bit more serious.
Of course. I agree with that.
Tell you what, you can text me or call me. Feel like I want to bring you out.
Alright.
I just want to bring you out, you like, you know, or if you want to come link me, choice is yours. I just want to bring out you.
Excuse me, good evening. You know, so we kind of the power want to hurry. You look like she afraid to tell you. We are hurry.
Tia, we're not hurrying. What we are go up and go do?
Listen, as I tell you, say, feel like your friend, she just need a prayer, so just pray for her. Here. Later, here.
Yeah, later. Later. Bye, yeah? Tia, why you behave like that?
You come like you have no sense.
What you mean?
Come
Tia,
on.
behave so fat, Tia. That,
Oh, me, I tell you something ready. You turn up a chit-chat.
I'm like some question.
You think you're 16?
Your man a blush by you? Your man a kiss you? Eh?
My man now fear kiss me and I blush for me because money I do it. Money talk and bullshit.
That's
walk.
the thing with you. Everything is about money, but for me, it's about love.
Oh, cause love can't go shop.
Me not
You
care.
damn hungry belly, yo.
And you are hungry belly because you want man money.
Alright, trust me, Marika. Trust me,
You think
feel
me
like a
afraid
9
for
to
trust
5
you?
worker.
At least me have somebody
You
who
chat
work
too
their
much,
hard bread
man.
money.
So if
And
you man not work hard bread
and you
money.
chat too much. Me don't know if an honest brother man a work. You come and go on like your man all that.
Come on. Let me go, man. Backside.
But for truth, yeah, tell me what you think.
What me think about
What
her?
you think about him, for true, be honest.
Alright, to be honest, me don't tell you what me think. Me don't give me honest opinion. Me think he handsome and nice and everything, but he not no money. So, you know what wrong with you, you know. Come.
Oh, you not get up on me. Come like you don't miss me.
Yes, of course.
Sure. Can't song back now, come now. Stand up too long and chat to me. But how is everything?
Everything alright. I'm just there.
Like that, man. Privilege,
So what with everything with you?
privilege is all mine. We can check your place. You know, so I go on, you know. But you want to live here?
Yeah. I find a place good do.
Give me, if you ain't give me direction, come and say Sunny. Then come give me some, just walk and follow you. Follow I sent. A beautiful woman. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Yeah, so the thing we asking about, how much again?
Hmm?
The thing we say you want to start out.
But 150,000.
50,000. Simple thing. So you invite me inside.
Alright.
I'm say we're going to a different level in so. You know? Take your time, don't fall. But fall for me.
My name. So this is my humble tabernacle. You
Like
can
it,
have
man.
a seat.
Like it. What you need to do is make me know what kind of furniture you want. If you organize up and thing, you know? Because my money alright.
Yeah, true.
Top condition, you know what I mean?
Me understand, man. So, me ask you one question. Outside, very cool and nice. Why you want to come inside?
You understand? It might sound away like more, but like, yeah, more, but at the end of the day, it's like me as a businessman, so I can't really stay up on the outside. 'Cause I don't trust people. 'Cause you see, you know, my kind of thing is, I've been through a lot in life. You understand? Where people hurt people and people are, you know, in a situation where them just see and like you because of what you have or things where you can acquire or what they want from you. And all them something. So I kind of always just, you know, if I'm there, inside. Outside the place, and everybody can see you. But you want everybody know for business?
No, I never said that. But me just ask.
Okay. Alright, you are going now because it's a brother me. Straight and plain. How you say you want to do again?
Me here. So other little things.
Nothing wrong with that. Alright, this is now. This is one US. That's on US this one. It's about 350 US.
Thanks. So this can pay my rent and my light bill.
No, they will deal with that. One more is open a US account. Because, you know, as I tell you, my woman have alright. And I'm going to say alright, which mean mucho caliente.
Man,
You understand? Yeah.
so me know say you're a good man, you know.
Definitely, man. Alright, now I tell you. Yes, I'm just, when I tell you, I feel uncomfortable, but I just want to know, say, you know, everything forward, you know, so very soon. Like,
So you say you go
furniture and thing. All the, you know, like, yo, wait till me take you to my place. You're going to see the standard and the levels of me really there. Me not disrespect the thing, you know.
Me
Hear me?
not say nothing.
You
And
don't
then
feel hurt by
more,
it.
no, hurt for what?
You sure?
You talk my language.
That is it, you know what I mean? Because even though me I tell you, with there so no one look upon it, me almost choose the wrong person. Eh?
I'm glad you know.
But you know, really and truly, the business kind of get enough, you know what I mean? And I don't really trust people as I know, so me I was work by myself. Me want to look at Virgin, let me tell about my power and so forth, but apart from that, you know, I think we need our help, you know, in a certain things, like me send you go to school for 3 months, you know, and make you, you know, get the thing official, you know, because certificate and documents prove a lot in a life right now. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I think I want to do that because, you know, based on what I try before with one girl, try to build her up and thing, and so sad that they rob her. And then after they rob her, is that like saying they couldn't leave her, them unalive her. You understand? Sad. Right now, see me look as situation that play back in my brain. You know?
So, they analyze her,
Yes.
rob her, but that doesn't sound good. That doesn't sound good at all.
You worried? Hey, listen to me. Me don't tell you say it's my woman. Excuse me. My woman. I feel alright. So no worry about nothing at all. I don't want nothing there, you know. No taxi bunks, no bicycle a ride on the street and touch your foot. No dog lick your foot bottom, nothing like that. You understand me I say? So you don't have to feel threatened or feel like, you know, something go, you know, like, no. Nothing can do my woman. And so me stay indefinitely.
Alright,
You get what I say?
long time.
See how the breeze blow proper fresh air come in and thing. But me, you know, like, I don't know which part within a relationship still if you want. you know, we get more comfortable, or, you know.
So we're not comfortable now.
Yeah, but more comfortable. It's been a little bit, you know, minute now and thing, cause me pour my heart to you and everything. I don't know if you want to open up and, you know, just let me in. What you say?
That can work.
Can work? Lock the door, you know. Lock the door. Lock the door, you know. 'Cause I guess, you know, really and truly, I think me need a youth in my life. You know, so me never get go, you know, without protection, so anyway.
You need that one?
And the baby, if you run the legacy. Lock the door, man.
You always a come to me.
Yeah. Huh? Where's the site? Who? Yo, me tell you, say don't make them dog shit. Why you make him go to the side for? Brother, you know if you do that something, man. Yo, me a forward, see? Take back all the money for everybody. Everybody, take back your money, take back your money. Yeah. Alright. What kind of phone is that? Send me a account. Start one phone for you. But me have to go to one of the business in another place. You hear your conversation already, so I'm not explaining it to you, right?
Yeah.
But you good?
Yeah, man.
Come on. You good? You sure? Alright. So later we talk, yeah? Me call you.
I want to go and you know, make a phone ring. Can I think me 106?
Yo, Davy. Where you stay there now? Alright, here we go. I don't know if active can do one of the things for me right now. I have a situation. Yeah man, down on the side, some boy something I go on, but me have to have. Yeah man, where you say can forward? Right now, you know. Me not talk later, me talk right now. Cause down the me forward to right now, down on the side. Yeah man, the same one man. But here no general. See if I can forward with 1 or 2 of your soldiers. Cause I don't know, you know. Yeah. Yeah man, right now bro. Davy, you hear me I say? Right now general, cause I know a few things set already. Just prepare yourself. Yeah man. Alright, cool.
Yeah, man. So just get me 2x4. Yeah, yeah. So me can get for nail up a field. Alright, yeah, man. Yeah, man, cool. Tomorrow then, man. Where are the yellow than our father?
Yeah, man, no run.
Yeah.
Just go on the place.
You know what I'm short for my boy. You see me, bud? Me da ring your phone and then I get you. You see me, say my God, you come give me a link. You know, say a general tell me say at 35. Tell me say you have one room.
At 45, me really have still. So if at 35, they're good because I could get some groceries same time.
But when I tell me say still, you know, I tell me say I give for 30, you know.
30?
30,000.
We can get it today?
So what you think my name small?
You know, I want to move, right? Because I pay money, you know. I want to move today.
Alright, but you want to know other thing. He tell me say, he have a stove in there and a fridge.
Father, you know, listen
to me, I man. I know you're excited because you want to move around this. But yeah, me know, he must say no want things then this shy. Because you normally rent place furnish. If you do, you know, get certain things.
A year link, you know, man. Say no once a year link, me can't mash it up because you don't get a link.
So yeah, me I do it now.
You see me? I know how it's hard to find a day my time of rent.
Around a Whitehall on Road Street, some more you grow and you go link him.
Road Street.
Road Street. He round the man because I shot him already and tell him say, to expect you.
Road Street.
Say yo, how are you
But
can't go on, sir?
Bro, no sleep, I play something and I out a door me there in a night June. And it's starting to dip on me, bro.
Georgia, what me I say?
I see him place on Rose Street, he plays there.
But mine are different, man. I want a Rasta virgin, man. He kind of have a tall height, you know, and he kind of have a little dark complexion. You understand?
Let me see, have a picture of him.
You don't know, he always the round is upon it. Alright. One Rasta virgin, man, if you grow and ask anybody about Kemar, man, then show him, see me?
But
What?
are you and this man your friend?
Then I may tell you say I rent the place, brother. I'm a good friend.
And this man I tell you say rare in tenant, you know.
This man ya?
That man, yo.
You sure?
Father.
Yo! Yo!
That's crazy.
Kemar. Oh, sir. Can't believe this the backside. Brother, I have the wrong identity, sir, man. I can't Kemar. I wonder if he even see picture good. You're mad, Kemar a good youth. My mother not involved in them. I say I talk about this, man. I feel wrong identity. General.
Hello? Ready?
Are we side of the father? Yeah, man. Me did I send it. Yeah, hear me?
Yeah.
Are we side of the father?
Me up on the same spot them, man, you know.
Alright, watch now. Me I can link you urgent. You hear, father?
Alright, no problem.
Yeah, man. Don't move.
Yeah, me right. Yeah, cool.
General. Yo, me have something I want to tell you about right now, instant.
What are they?
You don't know, say I see a bridging the man, but it can link me. Me I tell you, say a bridging can link me back and I tell me, say, yo, he know are you?
Me?
Yeah, man, the same tenant business.
He said know me?
Remember me a reason that day, man, and he tell me, say, yo, the tenant, we get unalive. They say, you do it. You, the landlord, do it. Me know if you do it or what
Listen to me, I say, brother. See, you know, if you understand things on a level, me have friend. Me is a businessman.
Me know.
How the hell me forget mix up in certain things? So if me no do certain things and go to jail, how my business prosper?
That they are confused my mind, cause me now say you do it, you know. But a him white tenant.
So why you come to me then if you know something not do it? Me not understand that.
But him did the place too, him rent the place too. So him say him know say I eat.
Yo, you have a picture?
Yeah, man, I'm a virgin, man. The same you to me. When me tell us I'm want you for rent the house, man.
Yo, show me.
I'm same one, man.
Yo, show me person. Cause basically, yo, I don't know what you're talking about right now.
Look upon him, man. Me I tell him, man. The man I tell me I tell him say it's like me confused, me general. I swear, me confused. Me don't even know what to say. You know. You know him?
Brother, I have no idea who this person is.
But
right
him
now,
know you. Him know you.
Alright, me famous, you know. Don't forget that. Me
No,
a
me
businessman.
know you have your money,
So
I
not
think.
that man, so why you think people are going to try if and bring me down? Because them envious.
Boy, thinking I straight.
Think,
this
boy.
a man here. I want your tenant them to say you rent him the place.
Look how much, alright.
And the other tenant to analyze, them a say you
Me.
pay a man to analyze him. And that them a talk.
Bro, them can't talk what they want to talk. You follow them, you trust them.
Me never do this.
So why you come to me with this again,
I
brother?
virgin fall for
but
rent the place.
tell the man say him is a real idiot. You understand me? I say because there's no way that can connect to me as a businessman who knows some why. Yo, check me out. I wipe me wear today because me think clean, my mind clean, my shoes clean. Yo, everything have to clean. Because you have to have a clean business for a prosperous brother. You know that?
Get what you say. You say virgin tell me. I tell you something, I have to run going to my house fast, one time. And come over here quick.
Alright, so as me say again. You believe him?
Me no believe
so
him.
So stop the conversation.
Confuse my mind,
it can't confuse your mind because if it's something you don't believe, you shouldn't even have it on your mind in the first place.
Me no believe him. Me no believe say do it. Because me know you are good. Me no believe it.
Not that,
but me I go link him and try dash your things.
Do what you do, brother, and make sure you clear my name. You understand me? Because from you clear it, everything good. You understand me?
Yeah, man. Me no believe him. So me link here.
Yeah, man, link up, man, and thing. But me I go ask you again. You believe him?
No, me don't believe him.
Alright. Don't worry yourself, man. Pick up yourself. Everything good. Yes, sir. I'm not gonna hold you against it because you accuse me. Say
right.
Pick up yourself. Yeah. Wait a man. Davidan, you hear me? Yo, Davidan, your phone a break up, General. Just go somewhere where signal work proper now, bro. You hear me, I hear now. Alright, here we go on. I have a little issue. And me talk about issue that can be a problem to me and it can be a problem to you based on circumstances. You understand me I say? Just listen to me I say to you. Make sure you hear this. Me go send a picture to your WhatsApp right now. I'm going to get rid of the problem here. You understand me I say? When I say get rid of me, mean get rid of out, over and done. You understand me I say? Yeah man, I'm going to send a picture to your WhatsApp right now. I mean right now, brother, before the sun drop off of the sky, I want you to deal with it. I want you to send me a picture of how you deal with it, when you deal with it, properly. You understand me I say? As me said, this can be a problem to feel my reputation and feel. You understand me I say? Because once me, everything connect. You understand me I say? Alright, here we go on. Make him look like say him buck him too or it's a robbery. Me I send a picture right now. Yeah man, make sure your service at work. Yeah. You get it?
Long times. Father, one night in a man, I feel like chamber 20 my bro. Right now, hit me a look boy. You believe?
Booping on them head for you see face, I don't know it's a girl American. We are here on True World TV. So what you say, bossy? What you say, go on?
Fully active, no violence, no crime around here. But I'm going to tell you what active. You see True World TV, fully active. And True World TV couldn't active without you guys, the fans. I just thank you for make this possible. You see me, you see the share, the comment, the like, everything. I just thank you. Because I watch now, you see channel, he monetize. And that is a great look for know. So the first movie push out on the channel. You get what I say? A movie I name, what name again? She Betray My Trust.
She Betray My Trust.
So the point I try to say, you see if you not trust people, nobody cannot betray your trust. But don't watch who break your heart. You see me, I will betray your trust. Move on, because you're going to find somebody who will value you.
For you.
Just, hey, you're smart, I was school you used to go. But the point I say, big up all of my fans, them True World TV, for the people, and only for the people. Hey, you got to go to school, you know.
Guys, remember, say, if you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a what?
Friend.
Yeah, high five. Yeah, say
True World TV. I'm going to big up Public, Puppy Dan again, Tia, Marika, Pinky, Puppy Dan, Davidan, Barry, Mr. Neil, and Togadan.
Yes, I just
yeah, Rome. Big up my fans, them. So forward.